Today we talk about how can you select your preferred view on your LinkedIn Learning app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go down here, click on my Learning down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do now, just click on your name. So when you click here on your name, it's going to take you to your profile here. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do now, just go down here. You keep going down and you click here on account settings. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Just switching to open video. So it's going to take a time to open video here. Then you click here on account preferences. So then you just go down here and you come here to feed preferences, click on it. So then come to this list, and here can you select preferred vid view here in this list on your LinkedIn Learning app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.